Okay, so recording your client's data during the session. If you open Coach Catalyst, should have already downloaded that, and then go to clients at the bottom in the middle. And then if you just go down to select your client, I know Christina's got some there. Okay, so Christina's not in today, but if you scroll backwards or forwards, sometimes they're dragged and dropped and they're not on the correct day, but that's not a problem. As long as they do that workout within the week, that's absolutely fine. I think eventually with this app, there'll be a drag and drop option where we can drag them to the exact day that they did the workout, but it doesn't really matter so much. As long as they're getting 3 or 4 training sessions per week and the data is being filled in, it shouldn't really matter. Okay, so you go to the workout, click on the workout, have a look at what's on the workout. This is where you can stand and talk to the client and say, right, now we're going to do 4 supersets. We're going to warm up. We're going to get loosened off and ready for these exercises. So you're going to pick some warm-up exercises that are going to be useful for these exercises. And then you're going to go through what the exercise actually is, how many reps, how many sets. And then in the brackets there, you've got the tempos. It's listed as a Poliquin style tempo. So the first number is the eccentric, so the lowering phase. The second number is the pause at the bottom of that phase. The third number is the concentric, so the lifting phase. And then that last fourth number is the reset at the top. So you might be a pause at the top of the exercise or not. So that's that. So then you click start workout and the first 2 exercises are going to be listed. So then fill in the data once you've demoed or scaled the exercise as appropriate. You're just going to click the plus and then just fill in there. So what I do normally is list each weight for each set because it's not really scored in like a in a chart. It just gives you on the next workout when they next do this exercise, it'll give you those 3 numbers, so 150, 150, 150. So basically what they scored the last time they did that exercise. After you've done that, you just hit the green tick button over there, and then you'd fill in the other part just below it, and then hit green tick, and then hit next. Then that moves on to the next portion of the workout. You do the same there as well, explain and scale the exercise as appropriate for the client, fill in the weights that they did, and then hit next. And then the same on the next one, exactly the same, hit the plus, fill in the weights, save it, and then hit next. And then when you get to the end of the workout, at the bottom right hand corner there, you'll see it says complete. You'll then hit complete, and this is where if the client is filling it in, they can write a message to you. So if they're doing it remotely, they can write a message to you as to how they got on with the exercises, and they can also go through onto if there's any action points for the day as well. Okay, so that's it. That's how to track progress and log the reps and sets whilst you're conducting the program with them. Hope that helps.